We are also on top of new developments in a local court case at the center of a Netflix documentary. In Sarasota, the first day of witness testimony in the Take Care of Maya trial is just wrapping up.
The Kowalski family is suing Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital over staff treatment and blaming them for their mom's death by suicide. And as 10 Tampa Bay's Aduri Achumba tells us, it was an emotional day for the family.
That's right. 4 witnesses took to the stand today, including Kyle Kowalski, who is Maya's brother. Now, the Kowalski lawyers are trying to convince the jury that the conduct of the All Children's Hospital staff was extreme and outrageous. They say staff accused Maya's mom, Beata, of Munchausen syndrome by proxy, which means that she was faking her daughter's illness, as well as child abuse for allegedly over-medicating her on ketamine.
I'm gonna bring my son to my neighbor, sir. Call my neighbor.
Okay. Can you tell me the address there one more time?
Emotions overwhelming some in the courtroom as lawyers for the Kowalski family played back the 911 call after they discovered Mom Beata dead. Robert Reines, Jack Kowalski's brother, on the stand talking about that moment.
Jack called me and said Beata just hung herself. And you need to get over here right away.
Did you rush over?
Yes, immediately. I told my wife Beata hung herself, and I'm going to Jack's, and I took off across the street.
Kyle Kowalski's testimony followed. He's Maya's brother.
So after Maya got back from Mexico, she regained a lot of her strength, and also along with that her happiness, and she was able to do stuff she was never able to do before. For example, Maya, just even unscrewing a water bottle cap would be very difficult for her. And then after a trip from Mexico, she regained strength back from all over her body, and she was able to do stuff.
Earlier, a neighbor setting the stage for the early days of watching Maya change due to her health condition, chronic regional pain syndrome, and the state of the family when the hospital took custody.
The ball drops, you usually kiss your spouse or say Happy New Year, and she lost it. So just started crying, all the other females tried to console her.
He also spoke about Maya's condition after staying at the Children's Hospital, returning to a home without Mom.
When she came home from the hospital, I can't tell you a set time, but I just remember it was such a long road for her to be able to do anything physically.
And one of the people who had access to Maya while she was in the hospital was her teacher, Jackie Dietrich. She was the last person to take to the stand today, and she talked about how she had to be the go-between for Beata when Maya was in the hospital. Reporting live in Venice, Aduri Achumba, 10 Tampa Bay.
Okay, Aduri, we know you stay on top of this. We are all